Good morning, everybody. Welcome aboard Captain Jake's Amity Boat Tours. We're the best! Yeah! Woohoo, that's because we're the only scenic cruise on this island. My name's John. I'll be your skipper today as we take a look back at some of the actual spots. We're back in 1974. That bad old shark jaws devoured those poor and innocent islanders.
Hey, something's out there! I don't know what... Help! Help! It's going to attack! Help!
The tour groups ran into a little bit of trouble, so we're gonna have to make... I don't believe this. What happened? Amity 6 to base. Shark, the biggest one I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's going underneath the boat.
Try the grenade launcher. Over.
Wait, you mean these things are actually loaded? This is Amity 6. Tell Chief Brody we'll hide in the boathouse until he gets here. Okay? Where do we tie up? Oh. Hello? Is anybody here? Did you hear something? That's him! We gotta go! Look out! Oh, Mayday, Mayday, this is Amity 6. We need somebody out here right now. Whoa!
Amity 6.
Chief.
I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Who'll be shark baiting? 10 minutes. All right, guys. Help me out here. Where is he? I don't even see him anywhere. Oh, no! This is bad. We're going to try to get off at that old fishing dock straight up ahead, all right? We'll unload one row at a time up here, guys. Watch out for the high voltage bars. Now, everybody just stay seated so we can make this as quick and... Oh, no. Oh boy, that thing is disgusting!
Hey, what was that? Where the heck are you?
Base.
This is Brody. Are you alright?
Listen, Chief, this is Amity 6. Call off the Marines. Looks like we're coming home!
And coming soon, our all-you-can-eat Monte Cristo Sandwich Bar.